Anandaji. You can stay on the stage. Yeah, please stay on the stage. The next center, Dublin Center, from by Karthik Ji. We request you to please come onto the stage. And I can say all our Prigna teachers are like all-rounders. They can do multiple things at a time. They do teaching, they do audio, video, they do website maintenance, upgrades, multiple roles. Karthik Ji is like one of our great volunteers, been here with the JET more than 10 years. So, Karthik Ji, you have any kids? Please call them.
You please ask them.
Yeah, all the Dublin Center kids, Karthik Ji's Prigna kids, please come onto the stage. Vikas Swami will give certificates to them. Karthik Ji, certificate.
Meanwhile, center will come.
It's a great job, all the kids. Congrats. Dublin Center, we have Anuji. She's, I can say, like she's the most modest volunteer, but with great knowledge and a great service. Maybe very few times you can see here near the stage, but most of the times she'll be near the front desk, maybe outside the hall also. And she doesn't deserve any kind of recognition most of the time. And we are very happy to have her as a Prigna teacher. And she also does like a media coordination for us. We are very happy to be to have Anuji here. Do you have any Prigna kids? Okay, so we have Prigna kids from Dublin Center here. So we request Vikas Swami to give a small memento to our Prigna teacher, Anuji, and certificates to the Dublin Center kids. We request our another great volunteer and Prigna teacher, Siman Santosh Ji from Milpitas. And I can say, like, maybe I can write one story of about each volunteer, few pages for each one of them. And he's again a great volunteer who always stands behind the stages and does a lot of hard work. And he has been teaching in Milpitas. And we request Santosh ji to invite your Prigna kids if you have any here.
Devishri.
Okay. So Vikas Swami is giving a small memento.
Don't fold.
So we now please invite our JET USA Vice President, Padmaja ji. And she's like a backbone for us in JET California. And she represents, she's the Vice President for the entire US, JET USA. And we are very proud to have Padmaja Gar with us and the JET California team. And one thing I forgot to mention that our JET USA board, the national board, is all by women. The President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, everyone is, the whole board is under women. And we all report to them.
While Kalyanji is recognizing all of us, we would like to recognize Kalyanji because he is, in addition to being a JET president for California, he is also our JET, one of our Pragna teachers and very devoted for all the causes.
And we request our Sunnyvale Center kids, Janamika, Arjun, the two tiny kids and brilliant kids, please come onto the stage. And I request Saranya, Vaishnavi, if they are here, please come onto the stage. So I have to tell one small story about Arjun. You can see him coming onto the stage. Once he asked a question to me, through his parent, to his mother. He asked, I have heard from Prahalada's story that God is everywhere, right? Is he in my toy also? Then I said, yes, he's in your toy too. Then why did it break? That's his question to me. So, I don't know what to say. Okay, say that, okay, maybe the toy broken because you're getting a new toy again. So I request Vikas Swami to hand over certificate to Janvika and Arjun. Janvika, she is also a great student. If I tell one sloka one time, she remembers that shit. No need to tell again 100 times for her. Vice President India. And now request our Fremont Center, Bhargavi ji and Shobhana ji, please come onto the stage. They are our great Vaishnavites who have a lot of knowledge, and one great quality of a Vaishnava is having what you call as Vinaya. Vinaya means how much ever you know, you always be obedient to elders. And we can see from Shobhana ji and Bhargavi ji, they have worked so hard for this the year-end program. They have done a lot of the dances by Fremont Center, and we are also conducting. So Bhargavi ji is the event coordinator for summer camp, and she's spending so many nights, so many days spending the campaigning of the summer camp. Thank you, Bhargavi ji. So we request everyone to stay here on the stage. We'll have a group photo. And we request the one of the biggest centers in California is the Cupertino Center, and we have Sri Lakshmi ji, Rukmini ji, and Bharati ji. Please come onto the stage, and we request all the Cupertino Center kids to be on the stage. So again, for Sri Lakshmi ji, couple of words. Sri Lakshmi ji is like again an all-rounder. You can see the table, the beautiful table there, with all the Perumal and Acharya photos. The decoration, wherever you see, is Sri Lakshmi ji. Without her hand, we cannot have any beauty in any event. So all the Cupertino kids, we request please come onto the stage and receive certificates from our Vikas Swami. So Rukmini ji, she talked about me, but I have talked about her. Rukmini ji is like a commander-in-chief for all of us. So she also does multiple tasks, and she is very good coordinator. And without her, we cannot do many events at all. So I request Vikas Swami to hand over memento to our Cupertino teachers, Bharati ji. Bharati ji, she added to our Pregna team a couple of years ago, and we always invite new people to be a part of our Pregna, because one great thing being a teacher is before we teach the students, we can also learn. So at the same time, we can learn and we can teach. That's a great opportunity for all of us. So Rukmini ji is receiving a small memento from Vikas Swami. And we request all the Cupertino Center kids to have to receive certificates from Vikas Swami. And the next big center is the Evergreen Center. Again, we have multiple teachers there. Madhuji, Naganjani Garu, and Subhaji. So again, the more teachers we have, the more students we can have. And Subhaji, she is a main coordinator for all the kids from Evergreen. We have seen how beautiful they have performed, all the Pregna Evergreen and the kids. So Subhaji and her mother Indira ji. Please come onto the stage. They have written the script for the Ramanujacharya skit. And one thing we have to be very careful while writing a skit is we should not deviate from the story. It's not a movie, right? Movie we can deviate how much ever we want from the story. For the skit, because we represent a sampradaya, we represent a Vedic culture, we don't want to deviate from the truth. And Indira ji, she has done a wonderful job writing the skit, the script for the Ramanujacharya story. We welcome her onto the stage. Subhaji, also a great Pregna teacher. So I request Padmaja Garu, please speak few words and introduce about our JET USA board. Thank you.
Jai Sriman Narayana. I would like to say a few words about our Pragya teachers. Our organization would not have existed without the continued support, dedication and motivation from our Pragya teachers. I have two kids, two small kids, 9 years old and 5 years old. Managing them is a challenging job, as you know. Our teachers, they deal with the kids as young as 4 years old up to the teenagers. So you can imagine how it is. And all our teachers, they have a very busy professional schedules. And they spend half day every weekend in taking Pragya classes. I am very grateful to all our Pragya teachers. A big applause to all our Pragya teachers. And a big applause to all our Pragya kids. And special thanks to all our Pragya parents. Just a few words about our Sahasrabdi project. I won't take that long, just a few sentences. Just to celebrate our kids' birthday parties, we spend at least 2 to 4 weeks in planning. Our Jagadacharya, Bhagavad Sri Ramanujacharya's 1000th birthday is going to be in 2017. Our Pujya Swamiji has been working very hard day and night for the last few years. So it's a lifetime opportunity for all of us to serve our Swamiji by contributing to our Sahasrabdi project, which is a statue of equality. Jai Sriman Narayana.